Latest alerts, Maria.
Yeah, so we have the air quality alerts across our area. I've seen the air quality index numbers creep up just over the last few hours. We're now in the 240s, where you get over 300 and you're in the hazardous group. So we're getting right there again. As far as the weather that's driving all of this continues as we see that area of low pressure drive the smoke right into our area, and the darker shades indicating where that smoke is thicker. The good news is, as you can see by tomorrow morning, the shades are lighter. So we're just looking at another really bad day today, but it's going to be really bad. So take it easy. Think like yesterday. There are the AQI numbers going down heading into the weekend significantly. 55 now at Central Park. We're in the upper 30s, believe it or not, Clinton and Sussex, so a bit of a chill there. Temperature wise, staying in the upper 60s, lower 70s with plenty of haze. That continues tonight. Grab the umbrella. We have a spotty shower possible today. I'll talk more about that coming up in just a little bit. All right, but let's get to Adele, because there have been some big time travel impacts, air travel yesterday. What are you keeping an eye on now?
Yeah, we're definitely seeing it impact the commute out there. And, you know, we have been seeing.
When we look at the forecast, I also see more more time where we're not going to see that smoke. And that really starts tomorrow and into the weekend. We head to Teaneck, where temperatures are going to be back up into the 80s by Sunday. This is really going to be much needed rainfall. I'll tell you how long that sticks around coming up in the 10-day. Because even now we are looking at deteriorating air quality conditions. This is a view from Jersey City, and not much of a view. That skyline really obscured. So we're very much in that unhealthy group for sure, and that continues today. One thing we're going to add to the forecast, if you're going to be out and about, a spotty shower or two as we get into the afternoon and evening. As you can see today, it's once more not widespread, but out there, so you may want to put in the umbrella or grab your raincoat. By tomorrow, though, tomorrow afternoon and evening, a little more widespread, and now a better chance to see some of these more like thunderstorms versus just showers, and that continues into the early evening before quieting down again tomorrow evening. It is at that point air quality is looking much, much better, but we have to get through today again. So we look at the smoke forecast and those darker shades, the heavy smoke, the thick smoke, the very poor air quality. We sort of see it ebb and flow a little bit, but still very much in the unhealthy category through the day today. But watch what happens tonight. You start to see those lighter shades work into more of the area. So by tomorrow morning, noticeably better. By tomorrow afternoon, whilst not zero and still present, much, much better, easier to deal with, and that's what we've got going into the weekend. All right, 56 degrees out there right now, so on the cooler side, temperature-wise, not going to see a big warm-up. We're going to be seeing temperatures held into the upper 60s and lower 70s, similar to yesterday, with winds out of the west on the light side, and then again, a chance for a spotty shower late evening and afternoon, and we'll see temperatures drop into the 60s. 57 with north winds 5 to 10 tonight, 68 tomorrow. That area of low pressure finally gets kicked out of here. High pressure builds in for the weekend, and then it is early next week. Still looking at a chance for some showers and thunderstorms, giving us some much needed rainfall. In fact, maybe on the order of 1 to 2 inches of rainfall by the time we get to Tuesday.